Hello friends, welcome back. So in this lecture, I'll gonna show you the reports, the GST returns that you gonna furnish to the government departments. So for that, how you can do is just go to display more reports over here. Now select here GST reports under statutory options. Here you can see the three reports, that is your GSTR1, GSTR2 and GSTR3B. As we had discussed earlier, GSTR1 is basically for all the details related to your sales. Now GSTR2 is for all the details related to your purchase, and GSTR3B is your net return, that is the net amount, net ITC available with you. So first of all, I'm going to show you GSTR1. When I click here in GSTR1 and press Alt F2 to change the period, I'm selecting here my period till 31st of March. Now here you can see under the return, there are some particulars like business to business invoices. You can see here the amount is given, the taxable amount and the invoice amount with tax amount. Likewise, your business to customer large invoices are shown, small invoices are there, credit or debit notes with registered dealers are there, unregistered are also there, export invoices that you had, if you had done any export or you have sold the goods outside the country, the tax liability against your advance receipts are also there, adjustment of advances, if you had adjusted any advances, then the amount is shown over here, and your nil rated invoice are also shown over here. So in case if you want to check any of the entry, then you can simply, if I want to check here B2C large invoices, simply just click here and enter. Now you can see the list of parties to whom you had done that, and simply click here, enter, and the sale invoice is in front of you. So here you can see the net amount of all the sales, the taxable with their taxable values, the number of entries you had posted, that is your voucher count, that is you had done 7 entries over here in B2B invoices, 1 entry in your B2C large, 3 entries in your B2C small invoices, 2 for the credit or debit notes with registered ones, 1 for unregistered one, 1 for export invoices, tax liabilities, again 1, and at last you can see here total. In total you can see the total taxable amount, tax amount thereon, and the invoice amount. So in this, are you clear? If you want to see any of the detail related to your sales, you can go to GSTR1 and just check the details. Now for GSTR2, where you can see all your purchase details, I'm just changing the period by pressing Alt F2 over here. I'm changing the period from 1st April till 31st March, and I can see over here my all the entries, that is B2B invoices, your B2B unregistered invoices, import of services that are done, the nil rated invoices over here, and all other entries if I had made, then it will get under this purchases. And likewise, you had done in the sales, you can see any of the entries with this and you can check it out the details. Is this clear? Now in GSTR3B, if I change the period, the current period, and I'm selecting here my whole year, and here you can see the outward supplies and inward supplies liable to reverse charge are shown over here. The details with other than zero rated supplies, zero rated one, nil rated, liable to reverse charge if there is any in inward supplies, non-GST outward supplies, and the other of the supplies shown in 3.1a above. So supplies made to unregistered persons, composition taxable persons, made to UIN holders, and so on. So the net eligible ITC is available is rupees 1,19,848. So the details for that particular eligible ITC is given over here. Like you have for from 18,000 from import of services, 18,240 from inward supplies liable to reverse charge, and all other ITCs are given over here, and you can press enter and just check out the detail. Is this clear? So this is the net return that you can see over here. Now if you want to print it, again press here Control P, select the print preview. I am showing you how your return will get your manual papers can be printed like this in this way. All the details can be shown over here. Is this correct? And the easy as well. Same way, you can go to GSTR2, just change the period. I'm changing the period and you can press Control P. I'm showing you the preview and here is your return. Is this correct? Now, I hope you are clear with all the types of returns of GST.